Hey guys, this is PC Tech Crew Productions, and today we're going to be teaching you how to download and install MyBB. What MyBB is basically is it's a free form software. It's awesome. It's better than PHPBB or SMF. It's sort of similar to vBulletin, but free. So you're going to want to go to mybboard.net, click download now. Click download now again. Save it. I already have it there, but save it wherever you want. Okay, now you're going to want to go to, by the way, we're going to be doing this in cPanel using PHP MyAdmin and MySQL database. And so go to your file manager. Hold on. Okay, now click upload, choose file, go to the file and click open, wherever you downloaded it to. Let it upload. By the way, we're using Zemhost free hosting for this, so check it out, zemhost.com, free post-to-host hosting. Now you're going to want to extract it. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and read the documentation, but I'm just going to delete it for now because I've already read it before. Go ahead and delete the zip file too. You don't need that anymore. Okay, now go into the upload directory, highlight everything, click move file, and just take upload off of the end of that, so to move them into the normal directory. So just wait for it to do that. Up one level. Now you can go ahead and delete the upload directory. Make sure you don't delete the uploads directory, but the upload directory. Click delete file. Now you're gonna want to go to wherever you uploaded to. I went waltro.info/mybb. Now, if you see this, then it's good to go. It's where it's supposed to be. All the files are. Now go to the URL /install. Now click next. You can go ahead and read the license agreement if you want, and then click next. There. If you see these errors, that's fine. We're going to show you how to fix that. If you don't, go ahead and just move along. So if you see that, what you're going to want to do is go to your thing. So you're going to go to Inc. Find config.default.php. Rename it to config.php. Cancel if you see that. So config.php. Rename. Now you're going to want to change the permissions to 7777. So just go ahead and check off all those boxes, or just type in 777. Okay, now go back to it. Settings.php. So you're going to want to find settings.php, change permissions, check them all, change permissions. Now go up one level, find cache, click it, change permissions. Doing the same thing we did on everything else. Find uploads, change permissions. Go into uploads, find avatars, change permissions. Now it should be working, so we're going to click recheck. Now you should see this. Now if you didn't get any of those errors at first, you'll see this from the start. Just click next. now the MySQL database. So you're going to want to go to MySQL, then go to back to your cPanel main page, click MySQL databases. Wait for it to load. Okay, now create the new database. I'll call it tutorial. Sorry, I'm typing with one hand and holding the mic in another, so I'm kind of going slow. It's done, so click go back. So now we're going to want to add a new user. I'll just call it tutorial. Sorry, again, I'm typing with my left hand. Okay, tutorial, since that's all I can put. Now, you can put a password, but you can put your own, but it's recommended that you generate one, which is what I'm going to do. Just click there. Now I'm going to delete this directory and MyBB and delete the user and all that stuff before I even upload this, so don't go and try hacking us and crap, because you know the passwords. Now create the user. Okay, go back. Now we're going to want to add the user to the database, so find user Austin View tutorial, Austin View, if I could find it, tutorial, add, or whatever you called it. You're going to want to check all privileges, make changes. Okay, go back. Now it should be working, so find your server host name. Once this loads, there, you should find it right here. It should be right here. The MySQL server's address is 10.25.3.136 when connecting to the blah blah blah. So highlight whatever that is. It might be localhost, like it has filled in, but in case it's not, you can try localhost. If it doesn't work, then you need to find that. If you can't find that here, you're going to want to find out from your web host. Now you're going to want to add the username. The username will be, you can go look, find it, hold on, this is being really slow right now, I don't know why. Usually it's a lot faster. There we go. Okay, so users, it'll say Austin VU, but underscore, but it won't say Austin VU for you. It'll say whatever your username is for the hosting. It might just say nothing if you're like on a local host or something. But so it's Austin VU tutorial. Austin VU tutorial. That's just for me, by the way. Now that's Austin VU tutorial. I'll just copy it and paste it. So I'm typing really slow right now with one hand. Now for the password, oh crap, I forgot it. Let me go back there. Oh no, I accidentally copied and pasted something else. There it is. I'll just copy it. There. Copy. Paste. Now table prefix, I'll just leave it as MyBB. Click next. Now if everything worked, you'll see the screen. If not, you'll see an error message. Click next. Click next again. Next again. Now we're gonna want to add all this stuff. So forum name, PC Tech Crew. Now put the forum URL if that's not right. Website name, I'll just leave it as, I'll put PC Tech Crew again. Ah, crud. Sorry, I hit the back button on my mouse. Just leave that. Put your URL to your forum, or your website. I'm just gonna put that. Well, no. you can put just form URL or you can put something else. Now this should be right, but if you see that it's not right, just go ahead and change it. I'll leave that how it is. Next. That's not really email, but whatever. Username. This is your account that you're going to be using to log into your forum. So you're going to want to use a password you'll remember. I'll use a random one so you can't figure it out what my normal password is. A very long password I just used. Okay, put your email. Put a valid email, make sure you do. I'm not going to put one for this video, but that's not a valid email. I'm sure it might be, but it's not mine. And if everything went right, you'll see this. Your copy of MyBB has been successfully installed.